Hi guys, I need to show you in this video like we are still continuous working to erect the steel structure for the building. You can see the I-beams at the top and the columns here, and you have beams at the middle of the columns, and you can see we still have more steel structure there. So we poured the concrete for exterior walls. We done with the plumbing inside the building and the electrical conduit, and we still have some steel structure there. So we are still working erecting steel structure for the building. So you can see it's designed to be like this, and after we will done, we will do the insulation for the roof and the metal panels roof work, and we are ready to pour the slab. You can see here we have the wire mesh and the 2 inches rigid insulation, and everything is ready on site. And you can see we put the crusher run for the parking lot, and that's the construction entrance over there, you can see. So everything is good for winter, and we done with the storm sewer system. You can see that's the catch basin. It is done to grade. Everything is good to go. So again, and here we have another catch basin, and we put the silt fence around it. That's per civil drawing. So here, erecting steel structure for building, and interior plumbing done, interior electrical conduit done. Okay, so when we will finish with the erecting steel structure, we will do the roof work, and we will pour concrete for slab. You can see we have the 57 stone there. So everything is good to go. So I just need to share that video with you guys. And here you can see we have the plastic sheet, and we have the 4 inches expansion board. We have the tape and the cure and seal. You can see cure and seal. So everything is ready for slab work. The 2 inches rigid insulation, as I said. So everything is good to go, and I will upload another video when we will pour concrete for slab, and we will do the diamond around the columns, and we will do control joint. So please, if you are interested in construction field, just subscribe and like this video, so you will receive new videos. I will upload more videos about construction work. Okay, again, just subscribe, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.